Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add or put control panel on desktop Windows 11. So if your control panel is missing on desktop and you want to add it back, then this is what you simply need to do. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and click on the start button on your Windows 11. Click on settings. Then on the settings page, just go ahead and click on personalization on the left side. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to the personalization page. Scroll down and then click on theme. You can double click to open it. Scroll down the themes page, locate and click on desktop icon settings. So once you click on the desktop icon settings twice, then go ahead and check control panel. Then click on apply. Click on OK. Now go back to your desktop. On the desktop, you have access to the control panel. You can now go ahead and open your control panels from your desktop. If you want to hide the control panel again, you just need to repeat the same thing by clicking on desktop icons under themes and then uncheck control panel. Click on apply, click on OK, and then that's it. You see the control panel missing on your desktop. So it now depends whether you want to add the control panel to desktop or you want to remove the control panel from your desktop, and that's it. So that's exactly how to add or put control panels on desktop on Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.